How to update Fetch app. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to update your Fetch app, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is make sure that Fetch is available in your region. If it's so, tap open your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, you need to search for Fetch app. In here, instead of the open button, you will see an update button. Just tap on it to update your Fetch app. Or just uninstall the application and reinstall it later. Another technique is to press and hold onto your app and head to App Info. You need to click on the Force Stop button. By doing so, we are forcing the Fetch app to force an update. This is the alternative way. Then open up your phone settings. In here, browse through your system update. We need to make sure that our system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of our Fetch app. By this way, you'll be able to update your Fetch app easily. And we have come to the end of this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.